William Shakespeare was an English playwright, poet, author, music composer, and widely regarded as the greatest writer and dramatist. He is known as the National Poet of England. He was born on 23rd April in 1564 in England at Stratford-upon-Avon, son of John Shakespeare and Mary Arden. They had 8 children in total. Before Shakespeare, his parents had already lost 2 daughters, Joan and Margaret. William Shakespeare and his younger siblings were Gilbert, John, Edmund, Annie, and Richard. Shakespeare was the eldest son of his parents. William Shakespeare, known as the Bard of Avon, Bard means poet. His education career. He studied in a local school, Stratford Grammar School, where he taught Latin and Greek. Shakespeare did not have university education, and that's why he was trolled so many times in his life. In 1582, at the age of 18, he married Annie Hathaway, who was 26 years old and 3 months pregnant with their first child. They had 3 children, Susanna, Judith, and Hamlet. They were twins, but Hamlet died at the age of 11, and Shakespeare was devastated by the death of his only son. In 1587, he left his town to seek fortune in London. Between 1585 to 1592, he began a successful career in London as a writer. His first printed works were 2 long narrative poems, Venus and Adonis, which was published in between 1592 to 3, and The Rape of Lucrece. In his life, he wrote at least 38 plays and 154 sonnets. His play works divided into 3 genres: histories, comedies, and tragedies. His historical plays are Henry VI, which was published between 1589 to 91, and Henry IV from 1597 to 8, and Richard III and Richard II. His comedies are Midsummer Night's Dream, which was published from 1595 to 96 AD, Troilus and Cressida, Merchant of Venice, and Much Ado About Nothing. His famous tragedies are obviously Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth, and more. Hamlet is the most popular and the most produced of all Shakespeare's plays. Hamlet. This play is considered to be one of the most influential tragedy in English literature. After 4 years of his son's death, he wrote Hamlet. Sonnet number 18 is the most famous poem written by William Shakespeare, which was published in 1609 AD, and his 154 sonnet, sonnet number 130, and his first long narrative work in poem, Venus and Adonis, which was published in 1593, and The Rape of Lucrece in 1599. The Phoenix and the Turtle, which was published in 1601 AD. It's an allegorical poem. Some of his collaboration works, Titus and Andronicus with George Beall, Timon of Athens with Thomas Middleton, and Pericles with George Wilkins. Elizabeth I supported Shakespeare's work. The Merry Wives of Windsor was written at the request of Queen Elizabeth I. After watching Henry IV, she asked Shakespeare to write a play in which the character fell in love, and Shakespeare gave 32 performances at Elizabethan court. Shakespeare became a shareholder of 2 theatres, the Globe Theatre and the Blackfriars. Globe Theatre, in where many of Shakespeare's plays were performed. Even Shakespeare played many roles of his own plays, including Macbeth, King Duncan, As You Like It, Adam, Henry IV as King Henry, and Hamlet, the ghost of Hamlet's father. William Shakespeare invented 1,700 of our common words by changing noun into verbs, verbs into adjectives, and he formed words in a way that had never been used before. He used iambic pentameter in his poetry. The Tempest. Presumably, it's his last play, which he wrote alone. It's a tragic comedy with both tragic and comic themes. It was written and performed between 1610 to 11 AD and published in the first folio of 1623 by Ralph Crane. Shakespeare retired in 1611 at the age of 47, but even after his retirement, he did a collaborative work with John Fletcher, which is The Two Noble Kinsmen. Presumably, it was Shakespeare's last work when he was 49 years old in 1613 AD. He was a fashionable poet. His works are so splendid that has been translated into many languages. Mr. William Shakespeare died in 1616 AD on 23rd April, and 2 days after his death, Shakespeare was buried in the chancel of Holy Trinity Church at Stratford. So I hope this video will help you a little bit.